Welcome to SurefootedSolutions.com. This is John. We're going to go over ERTC mostly. I'll cover a little bit of the funding options for small businesses, but most people are unaware of the ERTC. That's the Employee Retention Tax Credit that was implemented during the pandemic. Most people are not familiar with that as much, so that's what we're going to cover mostly in this video. On this website, you'll learn about the ERTC, and we'll give you a little directions where to find more on funding options. So a brief summary of the ERTC. The Employee Retention Tax Credit is a tax credit provided to eligible employers who retained their employees during the COVID-19 pandemic. And here's a brief summary. The ERTC was introduced as part of the CARES Act in March 2020 and was extended and expanded in subsequent legislation. Many businesses applied for the credit, but many thousands, even hundreds of thousands, have yet to do so. And yes, you can still apply in 2023, but time is running out. The credit was designed to help eligible employers keep employees on their payroll during the pandemic and to encourage new hires by providing a refundable tax credit. Eligible employers can claim a tax credit of up to 70% of qualified wages paid to employees, up to a maximum credit of $26,000 per employee for 2021 tax year. Eligible employers include those whose business operations were fully or partially suspended due to the COVID-19 related government order, or who experienced a significant decline in gross receipts. Employers with fewer than 500 employees are generally eligible, although certain exceptions do apply. And continuing with this, the credit is available for qualified wages, that's W-2 employees, paid from March 12, 2020 through December 31, 2021. The credit is claimed on the employer's federal employment tax return, typically Form 941. At this point in 2023, you likely already filed your 2020 and 2021 returns, but you can still recoup these credits by filing amended returns, and our experts will help you with that. Employers who received a Paycheck Protection Program, that's the PPP loan, may also be eligible for the ERTC, although the same wages cannot be used for both programs. Employers who claimed the ERTC may also be eligible for other tax credits and deductions related to employee retention, such as the Work Opportunity Tax Credit and the Employer Credit for Paid Family and Medical Leave. So why should you consider us to help you with your ERTC? We have partnered with the nation's leading firm of highly specialized CPAs and tax attorneys who are experts in this area. Many accountants and CPAs of existing companies will not touch this because of its complexity. And you should know 75% of our clientele didn't even know they qualified for the credit. Perhaps their advisors were reluctant to pursue a claim because of lack of knowledge and expertise. And you should be aware, some firms will charge an upfront fee just to help you fill out some forms, and you still don't know if you qualify. There are some scams out there. Remember, there's no charge to work with us to see if your business qualifies. So don't delay. See if your business qualifies for the credit. Fill out the form for a free evaluation of your situation. We have also provided you with case studies to peruse, and there are hundreds more that we don't have room to include on this website. So the form looks like this. Very simple form, only takes you minutes to fill out. And again, there's no charge for you to do so. All we need is your business name, industry that you're in, your first and last name, phone number, office number, email address, and the number of W-2 employees with both full and part-time that you had in 2020 and in 2021. So below this video, you can read a little more on the ERTC and then click on Learn More to go to another site for additional information and to complete the form. So for the ERTC, if you click on Learn More here, you'll be taken to this page where you can review further information on the ERTC program. And if you keep scrolling down, at the bottom of the website, well, here you can click on that button there, or you can scroll all the way to the bottom, and this is helpful information for you. And yes, it's not too late to apply for the ERTC in 2023. But if you scroll all the way to the bottom, Here's further helpful information for you. Here's the form that I was talking about at the bottom of this page. Just complete this form, click Next, and our CPAs and attorneys will take a look at your situation. If you're interested in some form of funding for your business, click on Learn More here, and you'll be taken to this page where you can fill out your information and submit it. So thank you much. Here's some contact information if you would like to contact us and discuss this further.